Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, it's your girl Kiera in the building. So I want to thank you guys for stopping by to my channel, and if you have not already, just join the family. Subscribe to my channel. It's that big red button that says subscribe down below. But as you see by the title, in this video I will be reviewing the Beauty Bigbang liquid matte lipsticks. They had contacted me to do a review. I'm super excited because I have not tried these lipsticks out yet. I wanted to wait for you guys to try them out. Let's not waste any time. Let's get started because I am super excited. So let's go. So I picked out 4 colors, and this is how the packaging looks. It's a sleek black packaging, and on one side it says Beauty Bigbang, as you see there, and on the other side it says lips. I got the colors. Jinx is number 2, Weirdo, Kathryn, and Naked. So I got 4 colors. I'm super stoked. Let's open up Jinx. This is how Jinx looks. It's a beautiful purple type color, and I'm gonna do a small swatch on my hand for you guys. Yes, honey, these are like so rich and creamy, and the color is like so on point. I'm already in love with it. Look at that, guys. That is stunning. Very, very pretty. So this is Jinx. All right, I'm gonna dig into Weirdo next. Show you guys this one, and this one's like an ash gray type color. Do a swatch for you guys. This color right here is more like a fierce look. It's not an everyday look whatsoever. It's like if you want to look fierce for a day, Weirdo is for you. All right, that is how Weirdo looks. Now let's dig into Kathryn, and this one is a red type shade, and I'm gonna do a swatch. Ooh, Kathryn is looking good. This is beautiful. Like, Kathryn is beautiful. All right, that is Kathryn. And last but not least, we have one more, and that is Naked, which you probably already know. It's a nude color, which I love my nude. So, and it looks like this. Put it, ooh. Guys, this color payoff on these liquid lipsticks is beautiful. Beautiful. And that is Naked. These each only cost $3.99 on their website, and I will link their website down below. I'm loving this color payoff. Let's get into trying these colors on because I cannot wait any longer. So let's go. Okay, first we want to try on Naked. And this is the nude color. Ooh, that's pretty. This is so pretty. I'm going to zoom you guys up so you guys can see. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to tell you guys, these are infused with coconut oil. So these go on so creamy and so moisturizing. It don't feel like that drying tight, you know, feel like the average liquid lipstick. So these do go on so creamy and butter-like. But so far, this one right here is beautiful. I feel that it will look better with a brown lip liner to kind of like tone down the color. But so far, I'm loving this new lipstick. It's beautiful. And this one is called Naked. So, all right, so let's move on and try on Weirdo. And this is the ash gray one. Let's try this one on next. All right, the color payoff on these are amazing. Like, I'm not kidding. All right, so this is Weirdo, and I'm liking this, guys. This is like a fierce look. All right, so I zoom you guys up, and this is how Weirdo looks. I'm liking it. What y'all think? I love it. I love how this looks. Let's move on to Jinx, and Jinx is this purple type color here. So let's move on to this one. So these lipsticks are like so hard to come off. Like, my lips are like raw. I've been scrubbing, I'm like scrubbing them off, so that's a good thing. So these are long lasting lipsticks. Let's get into Jinx, and it's the purple shade once again. These colors are like beautiful. All right, guys, so this is Jinx. I have on my lips right now, and I feel like so sophisticated. This is beautiful. I love the deep purple. This is like perfect for like the fall. Like, if you want to look sexy for a night, look fierce and sexy for the night, this color right here is fabulous. I love the deep and the richness of the color. All right, this is how it look all zoomed in, and I absolutely love it. So far so good. I'm loving all of the colors. These are like feeling so hydrating on my lips. So if you want like a cheap hydrating lipstick, Beauty Bigbang, like, you need to go on their website and pick some up. So let's move on to Kathryn, the last liquid lipstick, and it's the red one. It's at this one. Oop. Really? All right, I'm super glad this is the last one because my lips are like red. These lipsticks are like so hard to come off. Like, believe it or not, I'm like scrubbing my lips and it's like not coming off. So my lips are like red right now. So I'm glad I'm ending with a red lipstick because it kind of matches my lips. All right, so let's move on to Kathryn, and this is the red one. All right, so this is Kathryn on my lips, and let me tell you, this red is stunning. I am obsessed with this red. If you choose any of these, I recommend Kathryn. And this color payoff on this red, it looks like I pay like $40, $20, like the standard price of any liquid lipstick. Like, I can't even say anything too much about it. Like, this red is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And these are only $4. Yeah, $4. Guys, you must check out Beauty Bigbang if you have not already, because you will find affordable makeup. Like you see on my lips, this is gorgeous. So as I said earlier in this video, I will leave the link of the Beauty Bigbang down below in my description box, and I'll also leave the names of these liquid lipsticks down there as well if you want to find these colors that I tried out for you guys today. And overall, I'm obsessed with these lipsticks. I am going to go back and get more of these because these liquid lipsticks are like stunning for the price. The price is $3.99, so $4 for each of these, and the payoff is beautiful. It's quality. It's not like you're getting like cheap stuff. I forgot to tell you guys, so when I ordered these came in about 3 weeks later. So just keep that in mind when you order from them. It may come in between 2 to 4 weeks. So just keep that in mind. If you don't receive your products, that's because it usually come in between 2 to 4 weeks. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please thumbs up this video if you want to see more videos like this, and subscribe to my channel. And it's that big red button down below, so make sure you subscribe so you can be a part of the Key Squad. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.
Walking on these haters, celebrate every day.